Recently, I found out about a new niche that's going insanely viral on YouTube. This is both a short and long video niche. It's long-form content, which means people are making thousands of dollars with this niche. This channel is one of the most famous channels under this niche. It has over 1 million subscribers with 81 videos. Most of those videos have over 1 million views. This niche is not a new niche, but their presenting style and videos are unique. This is another channel, its name is Captain Workout, and they also use the same style to create these videos. And this channel has started a few months ago, and it already has 98,000 subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to dive into this unique category and show you how to make videos like this with the help of the new AI model, Nano Banana. The reason why these channels are so unique is that they are using this unique style of animated character. This channel has this yellow color character, and this one has this black color character. Both of these channels are doing videos about the fitness industry. Honestly, you can apply this same unique style to several niches, such as self-improvement, health, or even you can do it in the tech niche. You just need to create your own character like these to match your niche. So first I'm going to select the health niche, and first, let's make our own unique character. Normally you can use any AI image generator for this process, but the problem is that most of them lack the main component that we want for this specific task, which is character consistency. So that's why I'm going to recommend you guys to use Google Gemini Flash 2.5, aka Nano Banana, for this task, because this AI model has crazy character consistency. So first, you need to go to your Google Gemini account to access Flash 2.5, aka Nano Banana. Okay, here I have created a unique prompt to generate a character, and I will leave this prompt in the comments section. All you need to do is copy this prompt and mention the changes you want to make. For example, I have mentioned that I need this character's color to be red. Then, it's going to only take several seconds, and boom, here you have your base character. First, I'm going to need a full body view of this guy. So, I'm just going to type full body image of this character. You don't need to use complex prompts for this. Just type what you really need. See, now we have the full body version of this person. Now, we need this guy to do different actions, postures, and hand gestures. For example, I'm going to type as the character is running. Then this AI will convert this into a running image. If you check this new image closely, you can clearly see that it's the same character as before. That's why I mentioned, this new AI model has a crazy character consistency feature. Now, I'm going to remove this red background and make it white. So, just like this, we need at least 20 different styles of this character. Let me show you an easier way to do this process. Let's go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it like this. I have a character and I want to make different postures and hand gestures. Can you make 20 prompts for those postures and hand gestures? I also mentioned some examples, and I mentioned these prompts not to include any details about the mouth, because our character doesn't have a mouth. Now, as you can see here, we have 20 different prompts. We just need to copy and paste these into Nano Banana. So, let's add our first prompt to this and generate the image. Okay, cool, but I don't like these shorts. I'm going to change it into cargo pants. So, let's type the prompt, and here we have our character with cool cargo pants. Now, let's make this guy wear some shoes as well. Now, this is perfect. All you need to do is copy the prompts one by one and create all the necessary postures, gestures, and actions. So, I spent several minutes creating several images. I think these are enough to start. Now, you need to remove the background and get these character images in PNG format. I normally use Photoshop for that. You can use any preferred background removal tools for this task. After that, put them all in one folder. The next step is to make a video script for your niche. As I mentioned earlier, my niche is the health niche, so my topic is going to be 5 superhuman abilities you will gain if you do weightlifting 5 times a week. Now, instead of using a boring topic like 5 advantages you will get if you do weightlifting, I use this fancy topic as the video title. There are 2 main factors that will determine the number of views that you will get on YouTube. It's your video title and thumbnail. Those 2 things are the only things that your viewers will see first. So you have to have a good first impression. So, how to do that? By not having boring titles and thumbnails. That's why I used a fancy title. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to make an interesting video script about our topic. You can also get this prompt from the description. You just need to use this prompt and insert your video topic into this. As you can see here, our video script is ready. I would recommend that you guys to not use this AI-generated script directly. Read this and convert some of the sentences and paragraphs into your own words. Now, the next step is to generate an AI voiceover for this video script. For this task, I'm going to use DubDub AI. This tool is actually amazing, not only voiceovers, but it has several other features such as video translation, voice cloning, instant avatar cloning, and image generation. And you can easily convert any character image into a talking AI avatar with this tool. For now, I'm going to only use this AI voice feature. And guys, you can try this tool for free. They have a free trial period. When you are selecting an AI voice for your videos, make sure to use an interesting AI voice that doesn't sound like a robot. To check more voices, go to the More Voices option. And as you can see here, we can filter these voices using both the right side and the top menu. Basically, you can easily find a preferred AI voice for your niche with these options. So I'm going to first select the language as English. Since we already have a male character for our videos, let's select male. I'm just going to leave these two options as it is now. And let's select this multi-emotive voice category from this side. Here we have several voices. Let's check these.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your life. Today is the day to
remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your life.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the car navigation system.
Hello. Let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Okay, cool. I really like this voice, so let's go with this. Now the next step is the easier one. You just need to copy your video script part by part to this dashboard. And if you want, you can use this top menu to edit and emphasize your voice. Then, click this small play icon, and you can review the voiceover.
Imagine being able to open a stubborn pickle jar without calling for backup, or carrying all the grocery bags in one trip like the superhero you secretly are. Well, guess what? If you hit the weights 5 times a week, you're basically unlocking superhuman ability. And no, I'm not exaggerating.
That sounds amazing. Now click this export option, and you can download that as an MP3 file. So just like this, complete all the voiceovers. The next step is to edit the final output. You can use CapCut or Canva for this process. For this example video, I'm going to be using Canva. First, you need to log into your Canva account. Then, make sure to select this video option. If you are doing long-form content, select this landscape template. This is where we are going to edit our video. First, go to this upload option and upload all the voiceover files you generated. Then, you can add it to the timeline and edit its duration by dragging it like this. Then, you need to go to Elements and select a suitable background layer for your video. I'm just going to go with this paper background and increase its size to fit the surface area, okay? Now we need to add the characters that we created to match the video script. So I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys see how it's done. So watch carefully. You can use these purple bars in the timeline to adjust the timing of these graphics. And if you go to this animate option, you can add sliding animations to these characters. It's really simple. Okay, so it took me a while, and I added all the characters for this scene. Now let's add the necessary text graphics.
Imagine being able to open a stubborn pickle jar without calling for backup, or carrying all the grocery bags in one trip like the superhero you secretly are. Well, guess what? If you hit the weights 5 times a week, you're basically unlocking superhuman ability. And
this is just one scene. just like this. You can complete all the scenes and finish your video. Once you start to do this by yourself, you will see how easy it is to make these videos. So, with that, today's video has come to an end. I wish you guys the best of luck with your new YouTube channel. See you in the next video.